Well, losing Emily, I don't think you ever replace players like that. I really don't. You know, in a long career, when they come, they're very special, but you don't replace them. You have to find the next man up or the next woman up. I like that term that they use in football. It's time for someone else, and that's what the great part about collegiate athletics. That new people will have the opportunity. They're a year older, and it's now their chance to say, okay, what can I do? It's my turn. Let me put my signature on my work. And I think there'll be a lot of surprises for Lafayette this year, and I'm looking forward to it.